ये 2024 का जो चुनाव है, ये राहुल गांधी वर्सेस नरेंद्र मोदी का चुनाव है।
हर एक को अपना भविष्य बनाने के लिए मेहनत करनी चाहिए, जनता का विश्वास जीतना चाहिए, जनता के सुख दुख के साथी बनना चाहिए और वैकेशन थोड़े कम करने चाहिए।
ये चुनाव वोट फॉर जिहाद, इसके अगेंस्ट वोट फॉर विकास का चुनाव है।
नरेंद्र मोदी के हाथ से चुनाव निकल रहा है, वो स्लिप कर रहे हैं और हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बनेंगे।
ये चुनाव परिवार के कल्याण, अपने परिवार के कल्याण के विरोध देश की जनता के कल्याण का चुनाव है।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't get more exciting than this. With 3 phases of polls already under the belt and the results of 283 seats sealed in the ballot boxes, the political binary has come down to Prime Minister Modi versus Rahul Gandhi. There has been sharp and scathing vitriol from both the contenders, but the only question on everyone's mind is just who's ahead in the race for 2024. Prime Minister Modi hit the ground running and unleashed a poll blitzkrieg across the Hindi heartland and campaigned furiously in the southern bastions of the Congress party. And Rahul Gandhi, can he, the biggest challenger from the India bloc, stand up to the Modi Leher? Over the next half an hour, we will analyze who has canvassed across India the most and if Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra have effectively countered the Modi-Shah Ranniti. The Times Now SWOT analysis will get you an in-depth analysis of the number of rallies and poll events held by Prime Minister Modi, Amit Shah on one hand and Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi on the other. We will cut out all the clutter of the political vitriol and tell you if it will translate into votes. Let's first start with what the strike rates that are required by the two contenders to achieve their targets. What the BJP needs for Mission 370? Well, they need to win 370 out of the 431 seats that they have contested. And the strike rate that this will require is about 86%, 85.8%. What the NDA needs for Mission 400, they need to win 400 out of the 543 seats, minimum strike rate of about 73.5%. What does the Congress on the other side need for Mission 272? They need to win 272 out of the 328 seats that they are fighting on, and the required run rate is about 83%. Now let's look at the poll rallies and events that the Prime Minister has done. 83 rallies up until now, along with about 14 road shows. Rahul Gandhi on the other side has 40 rallies and 3 road shows. Amit Shah, on the other hand, has 77 rallies versus Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's 29 rallies. That's how it's all stacked up. And if we look at Modi and Shah combined, it's 160 versus Rahul and Priyanka at 69 between 31st March and the 5th of May. Bring that to the 8th of May and they will probably fall back even further. Let's now look at phase 1. Modi had 31 rallies, Amit Shah had 30 rallies, Rahul in comparison had 21, Priyanka only 9. Ahead of the phase 2 polls, Modi at 16, Amit Shah at 18, Rahul Gandhi at 8, Priyanka Gandhi at 8 again. Ahead of phase 3 rallies, Modi 36, Amit Shah 29, Rahul Gandhi 11, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra 10. And let's take a look at the heartland map that's showing Hindi heartland versus the southern turf. Prime Minister Modi had 40 rallies in the north of India and 17% in the south of India. In Maharashtra, 12 rallies, in Uttar Pradesh, 10 rallies, Karnataka, 8 rallies, Rajasthan, 8 rallies, Bihar, 6, Bengal 6, Madhya Pradesh 6, Gujarat 6, Kerala 2, Tamil Nadu 3, Telangana 1 rally. And if you look at Tamil Nadu from the point of view of the Pran Pratishtha onwards this year, before the Pran Pratishtha, this number will go up, because that's how early Prime Minister Modi had a head start on his Congress counterparts. Let's look at Prime Minister in the South. 17% of his rallies were in the South. Let's take a look at Amit Shah. 21% of his rallies in the South. For Rahul Gandhi, the South Bastion has been just so important, given Wayanad is where he was contesting from. 58% of his rallies have been concentrated in the South. Has he given up on the Hindi heartland? Well, the numbers are there on your screen. Priyanka Gandhi, also 33% of her rallies and engagements have been down south. Let's look at the 2019 strike rate on where all Prime Minister Modi went and what was the conversion rate of those seats. 142 rallies overall in 2019, and NDA won 114 seats out of these, a strike rate of 80.28%. Rahul Gandhi, on the other hand, had a total number of rallies of 115, seats won by the Congress party 18, a strike rate of 17%. So, ladies and gentlemen, the legitimate question that we're asking on the News Hour tonight, simply, who's ahead in the race for 2024? That's the question, that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching